Welcome to An American Accent. Today we're going to look at how to pronounce the months properly. When you pronounce the months, it's important to have the right syllable stress and syllable intonation. So the syllable that's stressed, it's the vowel we stress, and I have underlined it and made it a little bigger in each of the words. Here we go. January. So the stressed one should be higher, longer, and stronger. January. January. February. February. March. The syllable is only one here, which makes it the last one, and we glide down when we stress the last syllable. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, September, October, November, December. Hope that helps. Practice, listen to how people really say things. I'll see you next time, and if you like it, please subscribe. Thank you.